Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel had a very important meeting with Guyanese President Dr. Irfaan Ali in Guyana, and it was also a great moment for local talent. The event, which took place at State House, was not just a typical sit-down, but an unforgettable experience for Guyanese artists, including women and visually impaired individuals who had the opportunity to engage directly with Vybz Kartel. The meeting wasn't just about music, it was an immersive experience with a cooking session where Kartel tried Guyanese chicken curry, not curry chicken, and it create a great atmosphere of togetherness. Check it out.
Well, listen, we got a little problem here. We going and cook, you know what?
Yes. Chicken curry.
Let me hear you.
Chicken curry. No, Jamaica style that. Chicken curry. In Guyana, it's chicken curry. Come, let's hurry.
Go. Gotta take a tour here.
Look good. Yeah, thanks. Smell good. Top chef, you know. Rich.
And here we put a lot of red pepper.
Oh, yeah.
You see? Try that.
That
is Vybz cook that?
Yeah, man, the plate too.
Bring
Chef,
plate.
look at the plate. How cook this? You? Me? Okay. So I'm going to see it. First time I taste cooking for you. I President cook this. President pepper. President pepper. You know, say pepper kick. It tastes good.
Pepper kick. How the flavor? Different from curry chicken.
More spicy.
More spicy. Flavorful. What you call it? Chicken
curry, ladies and gentlemen.
So, Vybz Kartel is currently in Guyana for the launch of his Straight Vibes rum, and he used this occasion to reflect on personal journey, offering invaluable advice to the local artists. One of the most impactful aspects of the conversation was Vybz Kartel's openness about his struggles, including his time behind bars. Vybz Kartel let the youths know that no matter the difficulties you face, perseverance and the right attitude can lead to success. Kartel spoke about the importance of discipline, forgiveness, and cultivating a positive mindset, encouraging the local musicians to stay focused on their goals.
First thing we have to touch on is the youths. Young men think they feel the need to push toxicity and mistake that with masculinity, right? And that's the problem with black people, Caribbean people. That's the mindset what we need to change. I'll give you an example. All right. A lot of conflicts that take place in the ghetto across the region, it could have been avoided. But no one wants to stand down. You understand? No one wants to be a bigger man and just say, I'm sorry. Words like that. I'm sorry. I never knew. So moving forward now, that's the positivity we're pushing to the youths. It's okay to have fun. It's okay to smile. It's okay to walk with your girlfriend. You know what I mean? You don't have to be on the corner smoking a big spliff thinking that is manhood or that is manliness. Because you have to understand, you only have one life and you have to use it wisely. Because not many of us get a second chance like Vybz Kartel. A lot of people in prison now will never come out. A lot of people, through a lot of gangster violence and things like that, them lose their life. So moving forward now, we are promote positivity, we are promote love, we are promote respect, and we are promote communication. Talk to one another. Everything don't have to end in a fist fight or a gunfight or a knife fight. Talk things over. Believe that you can be a man without having to take up a gun, take up a knife, shoot someone. And in everything, never leave God out of it. Because my journey going through my 13 years in prison, I can tell you this. God, me put my faith in and say, Father God, I'm not the best person, but I'm not the worst person. And if you believe in forgiveness and if you believe that I can change, because you see my heart, please, I'm begging you, carry me home. 6 months later, I'm sitting beside the president. So dreams are there to come true. But you have to believe in yourself, you have to trust God, you have to trust not only your judgment, but the judgment of people around you, your mother, your father, a bigger brother. Don't go there, stay here. Don't do this, do that. Sometimes it's good to listen. Because you see, in Jamaica we have a saying, who can hear, I go feel. And trust me, get to youth. What I've been through, I don't wish that on anyone else. So I just want the youth, and that's why I come out with this positive mindset. No bitterness, no anger. Just coming out giving and forgiving as I have been forgiven. And trust me.
No, Vybz Kartel also mended a broken relationship between Guyanese artist Mark Batson and his friend Calvin. It was incredible to witness the impact of Vybz Kartel presence. Just Vybz Kartel presence alone can bring people together. Check it out.
Yes, my name is Mark Batson, hailing from Buxton, and a Guyanese artist at that. Yes. With the words as you have just said, and the moment of me standing here, waiting my turn, I never thought I've had the honor of being in the presence of you, especially today. I didn't even know. It just was a spontaneous call.
True that.
But with the words of wisdom that you have given earlier, today when I walk out of the President State House, I can promise you this, and I want to promise every artist in the room. There's a lot of hate in the music business in Guyana, but I'm trusting you and I'm telling you in front of the President, today there will be no more hate. Because every artist in here feeling what you were saying. And we're feeling your pain. And with that being said, I have amends to make in front of the President. This is big time honor. I'm really honored to be here today. I'm feeling real special. My producer, Vijay, one of Nigeria boy producer. But I have amends to make today, and I want to make it real, and I want every artist in this room with a negative impact over one another, influence. Cast it out. Like them say, cast out the devil. Right? So this is my brother Calvin Burnett. My brother in singing. I want you to stand up with me. I want you to join me for a minute in front of the President. Don't frighten Calvin. Me and you come along. We can't frighten me spirit. Now me and Calvin, we travel all over. But we had a little issue. And you know what I mean? I studied to take it. But today, when you stay down in this room and the President give you the honor to see you, no more problem with me and Calvin after today. Today, Calvin, me and you problem done. Because coming from you, no, me want to give me them little respect. Give me hard respect. Let me do the respect. Respect, enough love.
Yes, man.
If you can go through hellfire and come out successful in glory, then we can do the same. And as you say, put all your enemies behind. Move forward in your vision. Put on your thinking cap. Run with it 100%. And trust me, after today, they're not just get hit songs coming. And Calvin, me and you, we still have a sing again. So, Mr. President, thanks for making this happen. Thanks for bringing back my brother to me. And me to my brother, Vybz Kartel. For your love, I'm begging for a second chance. That is it. Mark Batson is the name. Yeah, man.
President Ali, to me, is a smart president. His plans is to grow the music industry in Guyana, and he welcomes the king of dancehall himself, Vybz Kartel, to drive that vision home. President Ali expressed his full support for the initiative, pledging that the government of Guyana would back Vybz Kartel efforts 100%. This support signals the government commitment to nurturing the arts and ensuring that local artists in Guyana have the opportunity they need to thrive. President Ali and Vybz Kartel discussed the potential for a collaboration between the music industry and tourism, highlighting how the arts can play a significant role in promoting economic growth in Guyana. So with the government backing Vybz Kartel upcoming projects, it's clear that this partnership could open new doors for Guyanese artists both locally and internationally. Listen to what President Ali have to say in honor of Vybz Kartel.
I just wanted to give you guys this opportunity to listen a bit to Vybz and to maybe 5 questions when we are finished. But I think it's very important that Vybz' story, his life, his trials, his challenges, his victories, his failures, that all of Guyana can understand. All of the Caribbean can understand how you overcome challenges, how you celebrate victories, and how you You know, there are very few persons who can walk out of the door of prison and in less than a year different. And Vybz, over the last year, has been doing a lot of work on promoting positive living, mental health, supporting community plans, and showing that the masculinity in men does not have to be strength and power, but can be love, can be sharing, can be the softer side that is key and critical in showcasing who you are, believing in yourself, and that those messages that are lost sometimes in the noise, but are so important. But more importantly for you as artists, for him to share with you some experiences. You know, he came out of the woods, and with very little support, he had to create a space for himself at a time when it was very competitive. Just think about cricket. You're a batsman coming up in the time of Vivian Richardson, Clive Lloyd, and Rohan Kanai, and these guys. You're thinking, how am I even going to make the team? And that is the era he came through and made it to the top, stayed at the top, went through challenges, came back, and is back at the top. And his life, I would say, is one that demonstrates the importance of this word, continuity. How do you ensure that whatever you do in life is about continuity, about the next level, moving on, growing, getting better? So I want to welcome him and give the...
Vybz Kartel is inspiring the youths all across the Caribbean, all across the world. Listen to this visually impaired individual speak about how Vybz Kartel music and Vybz Kartel changed his life, and he cannot see Vybz Kartel, but through Vybz Kartel music, his life was changed. Listen to it.
Greetings to the president and greetings to the teacher. It a tape. Bro, it's such a pleasure, man, too. Actually, they're here. I mean, I can't see your face, but just to hear your voice, bro, it's such a blessing, bro. You know what I mean? As Isan said, the amount of inspiration that you give to the youths them inside Guyana and across the Caribbean in the dancehall community, bro, must say big up. You know what I mean? Because if I stand here and tell you the amount of inspiration we get from your music, bro, I wondered. The first time somebody said, hey, you could sing is when I was singing, pull up your pants and put it on your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't bleach your face. You know, bro, I always know that I could have like sing other people's song, but never like take it up to say you're going to be arty. But the time I was singing inside the bathroom and I was beating on my chest and singing the songs from the start to the end, and I come out and the neighbor said, yo, you could sing, bro. And from that day, I just said, yo, and try to do something. You know what I mean? And from since then, I've been in every single competition at Guyana, at half a soca monarch. I'm a farmer junior soca monarch. And one of the things that I take from you as an artist is to create memory and make history on stage. That's why last soca monarch, I think it's last week, when I was performing on stage, at the end of my performance, I proposed to my girlfriend of 5 years, bro. You know,
Good, yes.
Yeah.
Congrats. Definitely.
You know, creating memories and creating history on stage, bro. Yes. So, as a visually impaired artist, dancer, because we do both dancehall and soca. You know what I mean? Soca is where free places and dancehall, you know, the type of vibe that we love as man, you know what I mean? Yes. And as a visually impaired artist, I just like to ask you, bro, what could you tell me, you know what I mean? Because normally, a normal artist with all his sight and every single part that good fame get fight in the industry. What about me as a person who is visually impaired and people would see like, hey, he can't do it? What would you tell them people and tell me?
I mean, all right, go ahead. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't tell those people anything, because if them a fighter, that means to them not real. So they don't need any advice. But the advice I would give you is simply hone your craft more. Okay, let me put it this way. Be more than your disability. Be more than your disability. You understand what I mean? So don't just sit there and think, oh, I'm disabled and I cannot do it. Of course you can. Remember, I know, Ray Charles, Stevie Wonder, And from Jamaica now, our very own Niger boy. You understand? So that is not an hindrance in a career, especially now in modern times. The advice I would give to you, just don't stop doing music. Don't stop pushing boundaries. And you will be also a role model for other people with disability. So me think, don't pay the haters any mind. Don't even focus on the negative. You know, blinkers, put your blinkers on and focus on you and your music, and you will be fine. Hold on, 1 second. Why you not sing the song, make me hear? Yeah.
Positive. So this is what we tell the youths them. Life is precious, but it full up of pressure. One day it a go better, it not stay so forever. Life is precious, but it full up of pressure. One day things a go better.
But
yeah, if you stand up and firm in a life, enough things up to make it hard to survive. Me tell my mother say she have to go and smile. Things are gonna happen, bring tears of joy. Yeah, me tell my son now worry, goal pon the neck it a fi yellow like curry. See the vision and God don't make it never blurry. So my goal me have to get it in a hurry. Life is precious.
Alright, so that's the video for today. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for sharing and liking the video. Irfaan Ali Media, we keep you informed.